The tattoo you're about to see is of a sexual nature. This is a tattoo you spent close to £4,000 having done, correct?
Yes.
Let's have a look.
I think it's actually pretty good.
Be quiet. Madam, have you seen that before?
Yes.
How does it feel knowing that he had held out to you he was going to use that money to pay you back, and instead he did that?
Oh, I was fuming, disgusted. I would never forgive him for doing that. He knows I'm desperate. I need my windows. He's wrecked his body.
He may have wrecked his body. That's his problem. What about you?
They're devastated over it.
What does it mean to you not to have had that £4,000?
Well, I trusted him. I never thought you'd do that.
How does it feel?
Awful.
What does it do to you to have lost trust in your son?
Awful. Because we've been so close.
Jack, the business is still going. How come you haven't made little payments, perhaps paying back each month? Why haven't you done that?
It sounds bad, but because, like, small businesses take quite a while to build up. It's thriving, but the capital in terms of cash is just not there at the moment. It takes a while. I just don't have the money.
There's your mum sitting next to you in tears because she's not been able to fix these windows. Do you have any sense of shame about what you've done?
Yeah, now I feel bad. At the time I didn't. I feel bad now, obviously.
Why did you not feel bad at the time? Were you somehow abducted by the planet indifferent?
No, I was just trying to get
Oh.
And it worked, so...
What do you mean it worked?
Well,
what's your view about women? Seems to me in your reply, as far as I can gather, they are just a collection. You just pick them up like tissues or chips, correct? That's your attitude.
With some of them.
Well, what happened with this person?
I got bored of her.
What do you feel about his attitude towards...
Disgusting. I haven't brought him up like that.
You've had this permanently and indelibly put on your body for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
So, God willing, you live to be 90, like our Queen, or 100. And there you are, sitting there, doddering, and that'll be on your back whilst you're eating your soup.
It's true.
Do you think it'll track Vera in the old age home?
She might like to be maybe.
Jack, I asked you to moderate your language.
Sorry.
Don't apologise, it's too late. I gave you 3 chances to behave in a way commensurate with the decency of this court, with the dignity of this court, and with respect to your mother. It seems to me, without any doubt whatsoever, that you are clearly incapable of doing that. You will be leaving my courtroom now. With the assistance, please, of Peter. Get him out now. Now. Right. Get him out.
Thanks.
Sorry about that.
He's a grown-up. You don't apologise for him. I'm disgusted. Marilyn, I have to be clear. This message will be delivered to your son, as will the full judgment if he seeks it. Without your document, your case would have been dismissed immediately. You did something very sensible here, which was to get this agreement in writing. However, I want to be clear, this cannot continue.
Yeah.
You are not to be living under the stairs with him in the big room. You're not to tolerate this anymore. Yeah. At some point, his bad behaviour stops being just his fault and you, madam, become an enabler. Do you understand? That will be passed on.
Yeah.
However, between now and the time that he grows up and gets out, I can give you the comfort of saying without any difficulty whatsoever that you have a perfectly enforceable case and this court awards you £4,000.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's up to him to grow up.
Yeah.
You're going to have to insist on it.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah, thank you.
And here's the thing, madam, I'll be watching. Yeah. The order of this court is £4,000.
Thank you.
Marilyn won her case and was awarded the full amount of her claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
Brilliant. But he showed his colours. I knew he was going to be like that, because that's what he's like with me. Why are you like that in there, Jack?
I don't know.
Why are you like this all the time? Things have got to change, so I'm never, ever, ever. I know it's awful to say, I know you're my son, I love you.
Yeah.
I'll never borrow your money again,
That's
ever.
fair enough. I think, yeah, well...
Because you've put me through hell with this.
I know. I've always been cheeky since a kid. I don't necessarily mean to be. It's just like when I'm being like confronted, it's my barrier. It makes me feel more comfortable, I guess. You know?
I'm going to have to get a bungalow, and you're going to have to move out.
All right. Okay.
That's what I need
Yeah.
to say.
I'm sorry. The bedroom is really cold.
It's not just that, is it?
No, I know.
I think Judge Rinder is fair. Very fair.
I actually still really like the tattoo. I don't regret it. That's the thing. I don't regret the tattoo, and that's it.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.